Formal nang umupo si Major Victor Dunque bilang bagong commanding officer ng Marine Battalion Landing Team 5 kapalit ng outgoing commanding officer Lieutenant Colonel Lester Mark Baki. Isinagawa ang turnover ngayong araw sa headquarters ng MBLT 5. Idetalye mo, Joelyn de la Cruz.
We have just witnessed the change of command of the Marine Battalion Landing Team 5. Round of applause, please.
Formal nang umupo si Major Victor Duque bilang bagong commanding officer ng Marine Battalion Landing Team 5. Pinalitan ito si Lieutenant Colonel Lester Mark C. Baki.
This moment is memorable for me since I will once again be leaving the same battalion that I first reported as a second lieutenant way back in February of 2006 in Patikul, Sulu. And now, I'm permanently leaving my most beloved MBLT 5 as the battalion commander, which had molded me to become what I am today as a Marine officer, a leader with integrity, and a person with dignity. And so, with humility and respect, let me thank and extend my utmost gratitude to these important individuals and organizations for supporting me and MBLT 5. These are the ones who have been instrumental in my success and whom I considered as part of my three families: my personal family, my professional family, and the community.
Ang change of command ay pinangunahan ni Philippine Marine Corps Commander Major General Arturo Rojas na sinaksihan ni 1st Brigade Commander Brigadier General Romulo Quemado II kasama ang mga opisyal ng Cotabato City at mula sa sektor ng negosyo, religious at academic.
Today marks not just a transition in leadership but a reaffirmation of our commitment to service, discipline, and excellence. I stand before you with deep humility and a profound sense of responsibility as I assume command of MBLT 5. It is an honor and a privilege to lead this unit, a force with a storied legacy of valor, resilience, and unwavering dedication to the Corps and to the country.
Binigyang diin ni Major General Arturo G. Rojas, PN, Commandant Philippine Marine, kailangang protektahan at alagaan ang mamamayan ng Bangsamoro Region, huwag anyang sirain ang magandang nasimula ng MBLT 5 sa lungsod at karatig bayan.
Take care of the people of this region, yung mga kababayan natin. Respect their culture, traditions, and rich history. Learn from their experiences, engage with them in meaningful ways, and build trust through genuine connections. Support their aspirations and ensure their safety. Just as importantly, take care of your Marines. Their welfare and morale will determine the success of your leadership. A leader who values both people and his troops fosters unity and shared purpose.